Hello and welcome to this class. Today on our UTME questions, this is number 22. We're talking about set. Now, in this question that we have here, it says that if A is equal to the set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and then B is a set of 2, 4, 6, and 8, find A minus B union B minus A. It's a very interesting question. So let's solve it. Let's find A minus B first before we look for B minus A. Now, how do you find A minus B? Now, to find the value of or the set of A minus B, it simply means that, guys, those values, those sets that you can find here, but you cannot find them here. Now let's look out for those numbers. Now 1, can you find 1 here? No. So you write 1. Then 2, you can find it here, and then you can find it. It is not included. 3 can be found here. Can you find it here? No. So you write 3. 4 can be found here. Can you find it here? Yes. So you won't write it. 5 is here. Can you find it here? No. So you write 5. 6 is here. Can you find 6 here? Yes. So these are the sets of A minus B. Set of 1, 3, and 5. The next thing to find is B minus A. Now, B minus A, those values that are here, that cannot be found here. So the first value you can find in B is what? The first value you can find in B is 2. We have 2 here. You won't write it. 4 here, you can find 4 here. You won't write it. 6, you can find 6 here. You won't write it. 8, can you find 8 here? No. So it is only 8. So you have 8. B minus 8 is a set of 8 only. Now, remember what we were asking is A minus B union B minus A. Then, A minus B union B minus A will be equal to, when you hear union, simply means universal. That is, you can find it in those cells, all those sets that we mentioned. So this set, the set of this and the set of this, all those values that you can find in these two sets, you must include them without repeating anyone. So here, what we have here, we have the first number we have is 1, 3, 5, and then it's 8. So these are the union. These are the union. So A minus B union B minus A is equal to the set of 1, 3, 5, and 8. So this is our answer. So you can see that it is actually very simple. It is very simple. So I believe you enjoy this class. If you actually enjoy this class, please give us a like. Thank you. Thank you.